Hey there, it's Jamie from Schedulicity, and in this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like when clients book with your business. Once you have your settings set up and your business information listed, it's a great idea to see what your clients will see. Open the Marketing tab in the Schedulicity dashboard. Click on the Business Listing tile. This will bring you to your business listing editing page. Once this information looks good, you can then select the Preview Business Listing button in the upper right-hand corner. A new window will open in your browser displaying your Schedulicity business listing from the client side. Feel free to navigate around or even book a test appointment with your business just to see how easy it will be for your clients. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@schedulicity.com. Once you have your I psych myself out. Set up. I need to say set up. Set up. Once you have your setup. That was a fast one. I didn't think it was going to be so fast.